Mhm. Yeah, I think event correlation is very useful during the early stage of monitoring deployment, right? And so because no matter what kind of monitoring tools you use, and so the ultimate goal for any observability solution is to detect the problems, right? And now what we saw in production environments is because users, operators are so concerned about the reliability, which they should, because given the complexity of the system, the reliability really becomes the top concern for many users. And so a lot of times we're trying to overdo things, right? So we over preventing, we over monitoring, and so we have tons of tools deployed, right? So just to worry about like missing something. But the downside of doing that is that we have tons of alerts come in, and the people either they don't know how to set up the alerts, or basically they're being kind of like conservative. They want to actually get notified when things going wrong, but not necessarily understanding what's actually the normal behavior. So you see lots of noise in the alerts.